Chapter 9, Exercise 1, Part 5 of 9, Parallel Key. Create a new file. Select Model Template. Enter the name Parallel Key. Store it in Butterfly Wall folder. Create a sketch. Select YZ plane. Draw a rectangle from center method. Select the sketch origin. Width of 10 mm and the height of 16 mm. Angle 0. Decrease the dimension text height. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Select symmetric value. Enter 81.5 mm as value. Say OK. Hide the sketch. Orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File close all parts. This completes Chapter 9, Exercise 1, Part 5 of 9, Parallel Key.